Okay, so I'm gonna grease with a Q-tip and a tiny little packet of sil-glyde that I got for $2 at AutoZone. These little backing plate contact points, right there, where that little piece touches the backing plate. Just put a Q-tip with a tiny bit of grease on there because I'm getting a squeak when the brake is released. Brake pedal is released and it really annoys me, and I identified it's coming from this one. So there's the other side, that little backing plate. I'm going to try to stick a Q-tip in there if I can, right there on that little edge, right in there. That's it, just a teeny tiny bit of sil-glyde. And there's 6 points like that, and I guess they're all on the very back part behind these metal pieces are the contact points that are supposed to be greased. So I'll try that and maybe we can get rid of this. I've now totally sprayed this out and cleaned it. I did like a little application or just like tried to spray lightly, because if you spray it and all that toxic death dust comes out at you, it's gonna suck. So you get it wet kind of before it dries, then you can really put, and I put the container under it. You know, there's the death that came off of it though.